Why self-care is the foundation of confidence. Many people think confidence is only about mindset, but how you take care of yourself directly impacts your self-belief. When you prioritize self-care, you feel stronger, more energized, and more self-assured. Self-care isn't just about pampering. It's about fueling your body, mind, and emotions so you can show up as your best self. The connection between self-care and confidence. Physical self-care increases energy, improves posture, and boosts self-image. Mental self-care reduces stress, sharpens focus, and improves clarity. Emotional self-care helps manage self-doubt and reinforces self-worth. How to use self-care to strengthen confidence. 1. Prioritize your physical health. Get enough sleep. Rested people make better decisions and feel more in control. Exercise regularly. Movement reduces anxiety and increases self-esteem. Eat nutritious foods. Fuel your body with what makes you feel strong. 2. Practice positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace self-criticism with affirmations like, I am worthy and capable. I deserve success and happiness. 10 boundaries to protect your energy. 4. Engage in activities that bring you joy. 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. Real-life example, Beyoncé's self-care rituals. Beyoncé follows a strict self-care routine, including exercise, meditation, and self-affirmations. She once said, "Your self-worth is determined by you. You don't have to depend on someone telling you who you are." Key takeaway: taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's essential for building confidence and achieving success. Please like, comment, and subscribe.